How to transfer money from Chime to Cash App. Follow these instructions. Open the Cash App on your phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings and banking options. Scroll to Link Banks and tap Link Bank to start adding your Chime account, which allows you to transfer funds safely. From the list of supported banks, select Chime and log in using your Chime online banking credentials to securely link your account. Verify your Chime account by entering your login details and completing any required security checks to connect it with Cash App. After linking, return to the Cash App home screen, where you can view your balance and access options to transfer money from Chime. Tap Add Cash, enter the amount you want to transfer from Chime, and double-check all the transfer details before proceeding. Thank you for watching.